This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox on your Windows PC. So all you have to do is go on down to search right here and just type in store. And you can open up the Microsoft Store. So you can see it right here. We can select this and simply open up. Now we can get the application for Roblox just through here, so we don't even need to launch it in a browser. So you can see gaming right here. You might be able to find it right away if you go to games. Otherwise, you can just go up to the top and just type in Roblox. So let's do that. ROBLOX, type in Roblox. And we can see Roblox for Windows right here. Go ahead and just install this on your computer and then go to play. And then we have Roblox launching right here. And we can just see if we need a login or not. I don't think I do anymore. And you can expand this window when this loads. There should be something in the top right where we can make it a little bit bigger. And it looks like I do need to sign in with an account. So just sign in with your account and then you should be able to play on your Windows PC. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.